Hello and welcome. In the words of other internet sites, I took one for the team. With Barry's help, I located a suitable ABS sensor at a reasonable cost. Now, the sensor's subject to Integrale tax. Our sensors are available, they're over £80 from the usual suppliers, plus carriage. Similar Lancia sensors are available for £24, postage paid. The well-packed sensor arrived and its dimensions were very similar to the original as far as I could tell. The plugs are the same. The sensor body seemed to be the same depth. And the mounting plate was the same, but it is thicker. Now, the plastic body is a bit wider than the original and it wouldn't fit easily into the hole, so I sanded a bit off. With a little lubrication and a couple of sharp taps, the sensor fitted in. I bolted the sensor in with a new 10mm head bolt and a washer. Then I tested that the sensor wasn't catching on the hub. The only extra grommet required was this fancy wheel arch item, so I cut it off the original lead and squeezed it in the hole. All the other mounting sleeves were in the right positions. So that's it really, job done. So thank you Barry, and thanks to you all for watching. Bye bye.